Hello everyone, you're welcome to Learn Maths with me. In this channel, I'll be taking you through in-depth tutorials covering a wide range of topics from basic arithmetic to advanced maths. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also drop any questions for me in the comments. Now today we want to take a look at how to expand brackets, and in our learning outcomes, we'll be able to multiply out terms in a single pair of brackets, and we'll also be able to expand two pairs of single brackets and also go ahead and simplify them. Now when we're talking about expanding brackets, it means that we have to multiply each term inside the bracket by the term that is outside the bracket. So for example, the first one that we have here, we have 4, and then in the bracket we have x plus 3. So this 4 will be used to multiply the x, and it will also be used to multiply the plus 3. If we want to expand these brackets, we are going to have 4x plus 12. So we've been able to eliminate the brackets completely because we have used the 4 to multiply all the items in the bracket. Now in the second example, we have 2x outside the bracket, and then we have x minus 5 in the bracket. So the 2x will be used to multiply all the items in the bracket, which is x and minus 5 separately. So 2x multiplied by x will give us 2x raised to power 2, and 2x multiplied by minus 5 will give us minus 10x. The third example, we have 3x outside the bracket, and then we have 2y plus 3x in the bracket. So let's go ahead and multiply it. So 3x multiplied by 2y will give us 3 times 2 is 6, and x times y is xy. So that is why we have 6xy. Then 3x multiplied by 3x, 3 times 3 is 9, and x times x is x raised to the power of 2. So that will give us 6xy plus 9x raised to power 2. Here is also another example. We have 3 outside the bracket, and then we have x minus 6 in the bracket. So to simplify this, to expand this bracket, you'll have to multiply your 3 by x and also multiply your 3 by minus 6. So 3 multiplied by x gives you 3x, and 3 multiplied by minus 6 gives us minus 18. So we write our answer as 3x minus 18. Now let's have some practice questions. The first one, 5, and then we have x plus 4 in brackets. The second one, we have 3x, then we have 4x plus 1 in bracket, and then the third one, we have minus 2, and then we have x minus 3 in brackets. If you're to expand this, in the first one, you're going to have 5x plus 20. In the second one, you're going to have 12x raised to power 2 plus 3x, while in the third one, you're going to have minus 2x plus 6. Now minus 2 times minus 3 gives us plus 6, because negative times negative gives us positive. Multiple single brackets. So we have an expression, but we have more than one bracket. We have 5, and then we have a bracket that has x plus 3 in it. Then we also have plus 4, and we have another bracket that has x minus 3 in it. How do we expand this? We do it the same way we have done the other one. So the 5 will be used to multiply the x plus 3 alone, while the 4 will be used to multiply the x minus 2. So let us go ahead and solve that. 5 multiplied by x will give us 5x. 5 multiplied by 3 will give us 15. 4 multiplied by x will give us 4x. And 4 multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 8. So let's combine the like terms. Anything with the x can be added together, and then the ordinary numbers can also be added together. So 5x plus 4x will give us 9x, and 15 minus 8 will give us 7. So our answer is 9x plus 7. Here is also another example. We have 4, and then we have x minus 2. Then we also have minus 5, and we have x plus 1. So if we go ahead and expand the brackets, the 4 will be used to multiply the x and minus 2. So that will give us 4x minus 8. And the minus 5 will be used to multiply the x and plus 1. So that will give us minus 5x minus 5. If we combine the like terms, 4x minus 5x will give us minus x, and minus 8 minus 5 will give us minus 13. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's have some practice questions. You want to try to solve this. 3 into bracket x plus 5 plus 6 into bracket x minus 3. That's number 1. Number 2, 2 into bracket x minus 4 minus 4 into bracket x minus 5. Feel free to pause the video and try and solve this. I have the solution here. For the first one, we use the 3 to multiply the x plus 5. And we also use the 6 to multiply the x minus 3. So that will give us 3x plus 15 plus 6x minus 18. When we combine the like terms, we have 3x plus 6x will give us 9x, 15 minus 18 will give us minus 3. So our answer is 9x minus 3. Now for the second one, so 2 into bracket x minus 4 will give us 2x minus 8, while minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 will give us minus 4x plus 20. So 2x minus 4x is minus 2x, and minus 8x plus 20 is 12. So our answer is minus 2x plus 12. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop it in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.